I'll be ready to play tea party in just a minute. I just have to take care of something. You know, parents have been babying me with questions about when their older child or teen is old enough to babysit and help host a tea party like I'm doing. Well, let me take on the job of discussing babysitting and provide some more information on this topic. While there's no set age for a preteen or teen to begin babysitting, there are certainly a series of responsibilities and skills that need to be demonstrated before any young person sits. For example, you need to determine if your preteen or teen is able to stay in control while handling younger children or infants who may be crying. Can your child handle an emergency household situation and feel comfortable alone at someone else's house after dark? Can they listen well and follow instructions? And of course, is your teen actually interested in doing babysitting rather than parents suggesting it? If the answer to these questions is a yes, then an older child or teen may be ready to babysit. But before doing so, they should enroll in an official babysitting course, which is often offered by schools, the YMCA, or the Red Cross, and includes first aid and home safety information, as well as certification in CPR, so your child knows what to do to keep the children they're caring for safe, and what numbers to call in case of an emergency, such as fire, police, and poison control. Once they're ready to go, your rookie sitter should begin by sitting for only one child, ideally a preschooler, and then babysit for about an hour or two with an adult somewhere on the premises to be available if help's needed. Teenagers should not care for babies less than 6 months until they've been at it for a year or two, and a newborn under a month, it's not appropriate for a teenager. Remind your preteen or teen that their focus should be on the child that they're sitting for at all times, and not on watching TV while that child's awake and active. Only when a child's in bed should a sitter feel they can read or watch TV, and even then, they should be checking on the child they're caring for every half hour or so. Accepting jobs from strangers should be forbidden, and sitters should only work at the homes of people they know and feel comfortable being at. So that hopefully, tips like this will sit well with you and your preteen or teenager when it comes to knowing whether or not she or he is ready to babysit. This is pediatrician Dr. Lewis First from the University of Vermont Children's Hospital, reminding you to always be first with your kids. Now back to that tea party.